Okay, I'm setting up to drill the line of shelf holes here. Just clamping this to the bench to hold it steady. I started a few before I started the video. Over here you can see there's two holes that were set by the template in its locked position when you set it up. So I've got two holes that are exactly equal distance and 2.5 inches from the edge. And then I'm using those two holes over here to set pins in, because I think this is an easier way to get a straight line of holes without having to hold this thing all perfect all the time. That's my dust protector. You'll see that work in a second. Drilling these holes, each hole fills the next hole up with dust. So what I'm trying to do is to keep dust out of the next holes, and it goes a lot faster. So here we go. I've drilled 3, and then we'll go all the way down to here. So I just set that right there. The trick is to get this thing seated in here all the way. And if you don't, it causes a mess, I have found out. So I just set that right there. I'm pumping the drill a couple of times because I found out on the earlier ones that cleans the hole out, and you get a much better hole that the shelf pin's going to go into. This is a 1/4 inch snappy bit made for this. And you see I'm just moving the block back, and see now I've got a clean space right there. So then I should have a 19-inch line of holes, and I do, and that's what I'm going after. So you just slip those clamps, pick this up, set it down, knocks those out. Then I use my vacuum cleaner here to suck the dirt out of all these holes here, so that's going to be a little loud. Edges around these holes are a little rough. I'm hoping that's going to come off with just when I hit it with 150 grit or 220 grit sanding. So I'll sand this plywood one time, and I missed a hole right there. How about that? So I'll shut the video off and fill that one hole in. I was talking too much. Thank you.